Hi and hello there, Cancer! Welcome dito sa inyong love reading for March 2026. Or before we start your reading, batiin muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there, everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me, Puyaters. Thank you so much. At nga kung hindi nyo pa alam mga babes, meron pa tayo other channel link down below sa description box ng reading na ito. Kung interesado, click lang yung link dyan para mapunta po kayo there. Araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga natin gender dito, so by lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. So just take only what resonates. And of course, okay, you can switch roles if you want because it's just a general reading right here. So, let's see. Archangel Michael, maraming salamat, angel guides. Can we get messages for Cancer, please? What does Cancer needs to know? Can you please show me? Cancer. Mga mensahe for Cancer. Oh, Three of Coins in reverse. It looks like something here is not working. Six of Candles energy. Could be dealing here with someone na attractive. Okay. Oh, maybe yun ay close. Archangel Michael, Angel Guardians of Cancer, thank you so much. Crosswatchers ni Cancer, may Cancerian placement sa natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. Love reading for Cancer, love messages for Cancers, March 2026. March 2026 for Cancer's love reading. Something's not working with someone who's attractive. Someone who is born with natural beauty, pwedeng handsome, pretty. Someone here na pwedeng nakatira or tumira sa ibang bansa or pwedeng nakapag-travel na. Oh, we have here the World, the Emperor, the Sun. Three major arcanas lining up right here. We also have here the Ten of Cups, Three of Cups, and the Moon. Okay. Bottom of the deck, we have the Seven of Cups, Ten of Candles, Lady of Cups. Oh, okay. So it looks like something here ay hindi dito nangyari. Maaring meron kayong taong nagustuhan, someone who's attractive, but it didn't work out because maybe with the world card energy, that person ay someone who's already married or in another relationship. Someone who's taken already, no? And this is something here na talagang ikinalungkot mo with the Three of Cups. Kasi parang hindi pa nga nagsisimula yung connection ninyo, natapos na agad. Okay? This is something here nakapag-heartbroken sa'yo, no? So, I do pick up that kung sino man tong person na to, definitely he or she is not really meant for you because you're meant to meet another person who happens to be your person, destined person. This is a destined connection here with the three major arcanas lining up right here. So with the Emperor and the Sun, it looks like your true person right in here ay someone who could be meron kayo ritong age gap. Slightly older ka sa kanya or baliktarin niyo na lang, baka slightly younger ka sa kanya. Just take only what resonates here. But this person here is someone who will make you definitely, oh, I just heard extremely happy. And I do pick up na tayong gender dito, bae, lalaki, LGBT, Ten of Cups. This person here ay someone na nakikita ko, no, na magbe-build kayo together ng home. Okay? Your safe na parang comfort place, no? Yung home ninyo, your house, no? So, nakita natin dito that this person here is a very loving person. And for a lot of you, no? Parang iniisip nyo ngayon wala nang taong darating, no? Sa buhay ninyo. Okay? Kasi parang may energy kayo rito na sobrang gustong-gusto ninyo yung taong parang yun nga 'no, na broken hearted kayo kasi taken na pala siya or siya ay, um, married na pala 'no. So, akala ninyo wala nang darating na bago dito but with the sun and the moon, yeah, meron talaga ditong someone for you, okay. So, the stars 'no, ay naka-align dito upang magkakilala kayo nitong tao na 'to 'no. Actually nakadakda na ang lahat 'no. So, puwedeng isa sa malalapit sa buhay mo ang magpakilala sa'yo sa taong ito at nakikita ko na kung sino man 'tong tao na 'to 'no, mahihiya siya sa'yo, sa unang beses na inyong pagkikita. Ayan oh, shy type. So, kung sino man yung energy na yun, nakikita ko rito 'no, that this person right in here ay someone na, um, what's this, maunawain, yes. And also someone here na nakikita ko ritong parang masarap siya or magaling siyang magluto. Yun, it could be a talent or something that you will discover once you have a connection na with this person. And I do pick up that whoever this energy is, this person here ay someone, no, na nakikita ko dito na medyo may mga secret siya 'no, may mga nililihim siya dito 'no, pero malalaman mo rin 'yun, okey. Huwag kang mag-alala, wala namang something dark or something bad habits or whatever yung nililihim niya rito 'no. Pero sadyang siya lang talaga yung klase ng energy ng hindi siya yung pala-react, hindi rin siya yung, madaldal na energy 'no. Pero kapagka alam niya na hindi kailangan sabihin, hindi kailangan sabihin, okey? So, this person knows 'no, when to silent, okay, at when to speak. So, nakita ko rin dito that whoever this energy is, this person very honest. Actually, this person hates liar. This person here ay very honest. And this person here is someone who's very positive. Pag nakausap mo siya tapos you feel down, okay, maglalighten yung mood mo, no? Magkakaroon ka dito, no, ng dahilan, no, na magkaroon ng gana, no, sa araw na yun, no? Yung mismong araw that you have a bad day, bad mood, no? After talking to this person here, magugulat ka, no? Mawawala lahat ng parang inaalala mo, iniintindi mo, no, and so on and so forth. Okay. Nakikita ko nga lang na hindi lahat ng mga tao sa paligid niya, no, ay parang nasa side niya. Parang meron ditong pwedeng relatives, like malalapit sa kanya na ayaw sa kanya, no? Pero don't get it wrong, hindi dahil yun sa ugali niya or behavior, kundi dahil kinaiinggitan siya. Taray, ano 'to, Cinderella story. Yeah, 'no, yung mga kamag-anakan rito especially 'no, by blood, 'no, kinaiinggitan siya rito 'no. Because this person here ay someone na nakikita ko 'no, na siya yung ano, puwedeng sa kanilang family siya yung may napundar or siya yung may maganda ritong or pinakamataas na sahod or siya yung umangat. Pero dahil naman yung sa sarili niyang pagsisikap kasi nakikita ko dito pinag-uusapan siya, pinagtsitsismisan siya rito, oh. Pero mabait 'tong tao na 'to, okey. I think isa sa magiging role mo dito ay protektahan at, maging human shield niya, okey. Wala namang mambabato rito ng itlog 'no, na hilaw. Pero I think 'no, this is you, ikaw yung lumalabas na posibleng poprotekta sa kanya. You will end up loving this person here. Well, hugging because this is your destined person. You will meet here your destined person, the one na talaga makakasama mo, no? Companion for life, okay? So this person here, very understanding, very loving, sobrang maunawain, and also independent person. Pero yun nga lang, no, dahil sa sobrang bait niya, I think, no, na parang naaabuso rin siya rito ng iba sa pagiging mabait niya. Okay. At, puwedeng yung iba 'no, parang what's this, hindi naman niya gustong i-tolerate yun 'no, pero parang paulit-ulit na lumalapit sa kanya kasi mabilis siyang tumulong or very approachable siya. I don't know what is with this person's family or relatives 'no, pero parang I don't know. Parang yung family or relatives niya dito is also one of the reasons why he or she feels exhausted and alam mo yung parang, ah, Not literally inside the home, pero puwedeng sa mga kamag-anak niya, their, family connections here or whatever relatives, 'no? It's something here na parang lahat na lang pinag-uusapan, lahat na lang pinagkukuwentuhan, lahat na lang, mga ganyan, okey? Pinakikialaman. So, it's something here na parang hindi siya makahinga, okey? Gano'ng klase ng energy, okey? But it's okay because when you meet this person and when this person here meets you, this will be a game changer for the both of you, okay? You will create here your own life, okay? And you will be happy together, okay? You will be happy together. You might not see it now because you're still parang nagmo-move on pa with this. I don't know who is this precious woman or precious man right in here, no? Na nakita ko naman na hindi mo naman talaga siya as in totally kilala, but you are, what's this? In this type of energy na parang alam mo yon sayang, parang nasasayangan ka with that person, no? You are seeing that person, no? Na very rare, yeah, very rare. Okay, very different, no, from all the people here. And you are seeing his or her partner as the luckiest woman or man on earth alive. Ooh. Kung gusto ko ma-meet yan, kung sino yung person na yan, para makita ko kung sino 'tong tinutukoy mo na ito. Kasi kung sino 'tong tinutukoy mo na ito, it looks like you are giving all of the beautiful words, positive compliments to this person here to the point that, alam mo yung parang perfect, okay, almost perfect, okay? Uh, I want to utter the word, angelic, could be having angelic face or maybe this person here chonsaya, angel-like, angel face. Okay, so whatever the case may be, like an angel. Okay, just take only what resonates. But kasi naman tong energy na to, definitely this person here is someone na nagmo-move on ka ngayon. But yeah, you have here someone no na nakatakda for you. Yan. And you will also be happy with this person here. Okay? So, nakikita ko din dito that with the ten of kung tinatanong mo 'no, kung matatanggap ka ba ng family niya sa side niya or whatever, magkakaroon ba ng conflict dito, wala namang hindi pagtanggap dito. Pero maaari kasi na lagi kayong mag-clash rito ng relatives niya kasi nga maano sila, ano 'to? Madaldal, parang lahat na lang pinag-uusapan, lahat pinakikialaman. So, baka dun ka mairita, sa gano'n. Okay. So, I'm not talking about in-laws here, hindi lang 'yun, the relatives itself, the relatives, okay. So, gano'n ko 'to nakikita, 'no. But you also have one great person here, okay, sa'yo rito nga life, and I do pick up that this person here may napundar and parang pinag-uusapan dito. I don't know if it's a house here or if it's a business here or maybe he or she is in their clan, in their family clan, no, siya yung may highest salary, income here. Okay, whether it's business here or maybe both business career or job, okay, your person here is someone, no, hardworking and diligent, no? Because I'm seeing a lot of effort dito sa kanyang kung ano man 'tong napundar niya here, 'no? Pinagpaguran, pinagpawisan, pinaghirapan niya 'yan lahat, okay. So, wala tayo ditong masasabing hindi maganda with your person, 'no? But yeah, the relatives talaga, 'no? Parang gustong walisin. Parang yun yung gusto nating walisin here, 'no? So, I don't know, but definitely you'll find out soon, okay? So, initials na tayo. We have here capital letter C, capital letter B as in boy, and capital letter L. We also have here capital letter D and capital letter R. For other letters might not be capital, we have E, A, P, T, U, and last but not the least, got letter S. For S, it might not be one S lang, but more than one could be. Possible two. Okay. So yeah, again, I'm Mirana Ani Sarangaya Love and Light, sweetheart. 안녕.